Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video, and before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, to like this video, to comment on this video guys. And yeah, thank you for your overwhelming support in the last video guys. It is insane currently, it is insane, your support is insane, it is overwhelming, and for that reason I have brought you this second Gear 5 move right here. So everything is made by me guys, and enjoy, okay? The link is in the description, take the model, you do not need to credit me, just subscribe, like, and comment, guys. Okay, take care.